Hey, it's Todd back with another tip for next level online course creators. Have you asked yourself what your students are looking for when they take your online course? It may seem like an obvious question, but you need to give it some thought as you're designing your course. People who sign up for any online learning experience are motivated by what we call a pain point. The pain point doesn't have to be deep. If your course is on making chocolate chip cookies, people taking your course want to cure their pain point of not knowing how to make chocolate chip cookies.
A pain point is a recurring source of trouble, inconvenience, or distress. So here are the steps of our transformation progression. Our student starts with the pain point, which motivates them to enroll in the course. Once they take the course, they engage in a transfer process where you as the course creator are transferring the information that you have about that subject to the student. Once the student has the information, they take action on it, which results in the transformation, the cure of the pain point. Let's go back to our chocolate chip cookie example. Your student enrolls in the course to cure their pain point. The pain point is they don't know how to make cookies. So they enroll in your course and you give them the lessons and the recipe and any other tips you have. You transfer the information to them. Then they take action on that transfer. They follow the instructions of the course, the recipe, and the tips that you've given them. And then at the end of the process, the transformation has occurred and they know how to bake chocolate chip cookies. Yum.
Creating transformations is what separates successful course creators from the rest. I have a link in the description to my D7 Plus online course creation framework. It's a step-by-step guide to creating amazing online courses. Check it out. Subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when we post something new. If you like this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. We'll see you again soon. Take care.